Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 BMW 4 Series. So from any screen you can either click there, it just says COM, or you can go, if we go back, you can go into menu and then select communications there, click on communications, and you've got contacts, recent calls, dial number. It's not immediately obvious, but if you scroll down to manage mobile devices, click on manage mobile devices, then you've got the choice of connect new device, or you'll see my phone there, Barry's iPhone 11, or settings. Onto my phone, you can see you get another menu on the right hand side. If I click across there onto the other menu, and then you've got disconnect device or delete device, Bluetooth audio apps. If you're having trouble streaming, just go over here as if you're going to delete it, and just make sure there's a tick next to Bluetooth audio. So we can either disconnect device and then put somebody else's phone on if you're listening to music, or delete device there. So delete device, that's it, gone.